Hello, I'm Mark Russ, criminal defense attorney with the Schaus Law Group. And there are several sections of the Penal Code that make child pornography and activities around child pornography illegal in California. Section 311.1, 311.3, 311.4, 311.10, 311.11, and 311.2. These statutes prohibit possessing child pornography, sending, transporting, producing, or duplicating child pornography, employing a minor to perform a sex act in order to produce child pornography, persuading, inducing, or coercing a minor or their parent to assist in the production of child pornography, advertising child pornography, and developing, printing, or exchanging child pornography. Depending on which law they're charged with, and depending on the facts of their case, a person may receive a misdemeanor or felony conviction for child pornography. Senate Bill 384 designates people convicted of misdemeanor child pornography as Tier 1 sex offenders. Tier 1 sex offenders have to stay on the registry for at least 10 years. After the 10-year mark, a Tier 1 offender can petition the court that convicted them for removal from the sex offender registry. That's 10 years from the offender's release from incarceration, if there was any, or any other placement or commitment. If the offender picks up any subsequent convictions and the conviction carries any incarceration time, then that incarceration time will not count towards the 10 years. The waiting period is then tolled, in the words of the law. Remember that it is a crime in California for any offender on the registry to fail to register once a year at their birthday or whenever they change their address. But convictions for failing to register do not disqualify an offender from getting off the registry. They do add time to the waiting period, however. Each misdemeanor conviction for failing to register will extend an offender's waiting period by 1 year, and each felony conviction for failing to register will extend the waiting period for 3 years. These extensions are in addition to and do not include incarceration time for convictions for failing to register. Senate Bill 384 designates most people convicted of a felony child pornography offense as Tier 3 sex offenders. Tier 3 sex offender registration is a lifetime legal duty. If you or someone you know has a conviction for child pornography here in California, then absolutely call the Schaus Law Group so we can take a look at that offense and determine whether or not eligibility will exist so that that person, perhaps you, can get off of sexual offender registration. We'd be happy to do so.